Welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you AB type question in aldehyde ketone and carboxylic acid. Let us discuss this first question. Organic compound A having the molecular formula C4H8O. So let me write C4H8O is the organic compound A. Now this compound is going to be treated with 2,4 DNP reagent. When it is treated with 2,4 DNP reagent, what I am getting is orange red precipitate is formed. So orange red precipitate is obtained when compound A is treated with 2,4 DNP. And the next hint given here is the reaction with tolerance reagent. Compound A does not reduce tolerance, which means no silver mirror is formed. Right? But it gives yellow precipitate when it is treated with NaOH and I2. When it is treated with NaOH and I2, it gives iodoform CHI3. Now this compound A, when it's reduced with NaBH4, when I'm treating it with NaBH4, I'm getting compound B. Right? When this compound B, when it is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid and the heat, it loses water molecule. This is what given. Compound B is going to undergo dehydration reaction when it is heated with the concentrated sulfuric acid. You are getting the compound C. This compound C on ozonolysis gives 2 molecules of ethanol. I'm getting 2 molecules of ethanol. Clear? Then you are asked to identify what is A, what is B, what is C, and you should write their structures, and you have to write the reaction of compound A when it's treated with NaOH and I2 and NaBH4. Students, first thing you should convert this into flowchart. Let's now discuss the hint they are giving from the equations. Here the first one, compound A is treated with 2,4 DNP test. This compound has carbonyl group in it. Carbonyl group is present in aldehyde or ketone. The first test suggests that a compound A will have either aldehyde group or ketone group. Then the second hint, when compound A is treated with tolerance, since it doesn't give silver mirror, we can rule out the compound A does not have aldehyde in it, because tolerance test is the test to identify aldehyde in it. So no aldehyde is present. Then by these two experiments, we know that this compound A has ketone group in it. Now this compound A, when it's treated with NaOH2, and then giving yellow precipitate. This reaction suggests that presence of CH3C double bond, which means that the ketone group C double bond O is adjacent to CH3. Clear? The next compound A, when it is treated with sodium borohydride, it is a reducing agent since A has ketone in it. You know very well that ketone undergoes reduction. When ketone undergoes reduction, you will be getting secondary alcohol. This ketone on reduction gives you secondary alcohol. Then this B must be a secondary alcohol. This B should have what in it? Secondary alcohol. When the secondary alcohol is dehydrated, that will give you alkene. Then alkene is reacting with ozone. It gives two molecules of ethanol. Ethanol means you have aldehyde in it. Right. So using this hint, we are going to write the formula. It has 4 carbon in it. So let me write 1, 2, 3, 4. Compound A has C double bond O adjacent to CH3. So I am going to place C double bond O next to CH3. Then I am going to write hydrogens. CH3 here, here CH2, here CH3. And check the number of carbon present here. C4, H8, O. Clear? Now this A, when it's treated with NaBH4, we are getting B. So we are going to treat this with NaBH4. What you have to do? Convert the C double bond O into CHOH. CH3 here, converting C double bond O into CHOH, and CH2, CH3. Then this compound B is undergoing dehydration when it is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. So I am going to write here concentrated H2SO4. It is going to eliminate water molecule. Now I am going to imagine the water molecule present here. Here let me take one hydrogen from here and then write it down so that you can visualize the water molecule here. I am going to remove OH from this CH and H from this CH. So new bond is introduced. This is the alkene I am getting. This alkene is our compound C. So let me write, this is our compound A, this is our compound B, this is our compound C. This compound C, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3, on treatment with ozone, let me tell you a tip for this. You break where you have the double bond and then add to one side oxygen, other side oxygen. Here you will be getting CH3, CHO, CH3, CHO. You will be getting 2 molecules of ethanol. Now this aldehyde you are getting when C is treated with ozone. The next step, what we are going to do, they have asked to find the reaction of compound A with NaOH and I2. So let me write the formula the structure of A. Here CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. It is going to be treated with NaOH. Students, what we need to do is just convert CH3, which is adjacent to C double bond O, into CHI3 and break this bond here. Add ONA to the other side. You will be getting CH3, CH2, CO, ONA. Clear? This one having yellow color, it is the precipitate. Then next thing what they are asking, what is the reaction with NaBH4? We have already written, so let me write one more time. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3, on treatment with NaBH4. I will be converting C double bond O into CHOH. Clear? That's it. What you need to next to do, you have to just write ABC and then write the structures and write that name. It is done.